Hello everyone. So for today I did some collage sheets and I made tags that would fit in automatically and journaling cards that would fit in to our lovely journal. I also added ribbon to all the tags and outlined the tags and journaling cards with my metallic paint or my metallic markers from Morphone. I got it on Amazon. It was an Amazon buy. I don't really like that one for the top. Kind of want this one. There we go. So, just filling in them spots here and there. That need to be filled. They do like to stick to pages. Nothing I can do about that, but again, it just changes with time. The more it gets used, the more difference it will make. I thought the metallic ribbon would just give it a different look. Oh my, that one really wanted to stick together. There we go. Fits right in, which I really love when they just fit right in. This one is just a bit too big, so I'm just gonna try to keep this on it, but at the same time cut it down just a teeny bit. Now it should squeeze in there pretty good. There we go. Alright, so there we are, filled all up, but again, figure maybe we can add some of these to it. I'm going to just quickly get these corners here. Again, I'm just trying to use up what I have sitting here. I have a pile of small pieces that could be used. Let's just cut this one in half. Again, just trying to use up these pieces a little bit. But at the same time, add a little bit more to what's already sitting here. No. That one, and then this one. Very last page. There we go. Alright, I want to fix this up. This one little spot here. Don't like stuff sticking up if it don't have to be sticking up. So now all I have to do is figure out a closure with it, and then it will be done. I know it was a very simplistic journal, but I had a lot of fun with it. Sometimes I've learned we have to be simplistic instead of trying to make something extravagant beyond belief, something more natural or experimental like this. And I'm probably going to do like a quick walkthrough when I go to put this on my Etsy. It isn't going to be put on right away, so just a heads up, I don't normally put my journals at the exact same time as I finish them. I don't believe that that's how you should do it, because then it ain't led to chance anymore. But I'll definitely give you a heads up when I do put it in my Etsy shop. So I hope you have a great day or night. Bye.